Dance and laugh, sing and play, jazz and tap and ballet. Come on, dancers, welcome in. Let's dance with Miss Catherine. Dance with Miss Catherine.
Hi, it's me, Miss Catherine, and welcome to Dance with Miss Catherine. As you can see today, I have on my jazz shoes because you and I are going to do some amazing jazz dancing together. Are you excited? So am I. So excited. So let's give each other a nice welcome with a big heart. Can you make a heart like this with your hands? Ready? And on the count of 3, we're going to send it to each other. 1, 2, 3, heart. And I got yours back. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Okay, today we are going to take 2 steps and put 2 steps, I said. You'll see why that's funny in a second. And we're going to put them together to make a move. The move is called step, ball, change. See, that was funny because I said steps and the move is called step, ball, change. Anyway, can you say step, ball, change with me on the count of 3? 1, 2, 3. Step, ball, change. Awesome. So let's try a few steps. Remember, steps is just like walking. Let's take some steps. Ready? Here we go. Stepping, I'm stepping, step, 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 stepping, 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 step. Very good. So you got the steps down, Pat. Way to go. High five. And now, ball change. That is our seesaw step. That's the step where we have 1 foot in the front and 1 foot in the back. And when the foot in the back goes down, the foot in the front goes up. And when the foot in the front goes down, the foot in the back goes up. Ready? Try it with your arm. Put the foot in the back down, and the foot in the front goes up. And the foot in the front goes down, and the foot in the back goes up. Let's actually try that with our feet. So hands on your hips. Come sideways with me. We're going to pick up our front foot. So we're looking in a mirror. So that's my purple foot. I'm going to pick up my purple foot, and I'm going to step back on my purple foot. And when I do, my pink foot comes up. And then I'm going to step front on my pink foot. And when I do, my back foot comes up. There's my Teeter-Totter. Let's try that again faster. Back and front and back and front, like a seesaw. Back and front and back and front. Turn around, and let's try it on the other leg because we have 2 legs. So let's pick up this new front foot. Are you on a new foot? If not, turn around and face this way with me. Okay, cool. Now we're going to pick up our front foot. That's my pink foot. So pick up the pink foot, and now it's in the back. It's going to stay in the back, and let's be a teeter-totter and lean back and forth. Here we go. Step back, purple foot up. Step front, pink foot up. Step back, purple foot up. Step front, pink foot up. Step back, purple foot up. Step front, pink foot up. Okay, nailed it. Those were amazing ball changes. So now we're going to put them together. So come on over here. Let's come over to the side of our space. And we're going to practice putting 1 step together and 1 ball change. And then switching feet and doing it on the other foot. Now here is a tip. Ready? Miss Catherine's dance tip. When we step, if I leave both feet on the floor, I'm going to get all confused. What foot do I use next? I don't know. Okay, so come back and try that again. I want to step front with this purple foot, and instead of leaving my pink foot on the back, pick it up. Let's try that again. Step forward with the pink foot. I left both feet on the floor. I don't know what foot to use. Wait, come back. Pick up your pink foot, step to the front, and pick up the other foot. Great, now I know which foot to use. Step forward and pick up the new foot. Step forward, pick up a new foot. Let's try that again going back. Step, pick it up, new foot. 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 And did you notice that I always picked it up? Did I pick it up in front of me? No. Did I pick it up beside me? No. Did I pick it up behind me? Yes! Ding, 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 ding. Behind me, that's right. Because when we pick it up behind you, totally ready for the ball change. You want to see? Okay, let's try together. Come on over with me. Point to your front foot, which is the purple foot. We're going to step on the purple foot and pick our pink foot up behind us. Go. Step, pink foot up. Now it's in the back. Keep it there, and let's do our teeter-totter, our ball change. Pink foot back, purple foot up. Step front and back foot up. Now that back foot is ready to step to the front. Let's do it together. Step front. And then the purple foot can step in the back. And now let's lean back and pick up our pink foot. And lean front and pick up our purple foot. You did it again. Take this purple foot, step to the front. Pick up the new foot in the back. Now keep that foot in the back. And we're gonna lean back for our ball change. Front for the change crab. That was amazing. Oh my goodness. Let's try that one more time really slow, and then we'll do it a little bit faster. So we're gonna start here, and we're going to point our front foot. So we're gonna go that way. Point your front foot with me, and we step on the front foot, back foot up. Lean back for the ball, lean front for the change. Step front on the purple foot, pink foot up. Lean back for the ball, lean front for the change. Step front on the pink foot, purple foot up. Lean back on the ball, lean front for the change. Step front with the purple foot, pink foot up. Lean back, ball, lean front, change. Oh my gosh, how did you do? Was it a little bit tricky? Yeah, a tiny bit? You know what, that's okay. Let's give ourselves a big hug and say, I can do tricky things. Hug, 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 hug. Amazing, because you know what I always say. When you do something over and over and over again, which is called repetition, and you do it with love and joy in your heart, well then you will be able to do anything. So come on, let's try it again. I know what will help. I think that if you say it with me, that will really help. Let's try it together. Point our toe, our purple toe in the front, our front foot, and we're gonna try it together. 1, 2, 3. Step, pick your foot up, lean back, ball, change, new foot in front. Step, pick your foot up, lean back, ball, change, new foot, step, front, pick the other foot up, lean back, ball, change, step, front, other foot up, back, ball, change. That was amazing. Come on back. Let's do that again. That was fabulous. And even if it wasn't quite exactly the way I did it, the fact that you're putting any effort into it at all means that you are doing so well. Okay, hands on our hips, point our foot. Let's try it again. Here we go. Step, back foot up, lean back, ball, front, switch feet. Step, other foot up, lean back, ball, change. New foot comes in front. Step, back foot up, lean back, ball, change. Bring this foot to the front. Step, back foot up, lean back, ball, change. That was fabulous. Would you like to see what it looks like a little bit faster? You would? Okay, I'll show you this and you can practice it. But that ball change turns into a gallop. Look at this. So I go like this, and then I add from here a little leap. Did you see that? Would you like to try that and see that again? So I step, and my back front turns into a leap change. Step, leap, change. Was that cool or was that cool? So cool, but don't worry. Don't worry about that. We'll get there. This slower one will turn into that really easily. So let's do our slow one more time. I just wanted to give you a sneak peek. So point our toe, right hands on our hips. Here we go. Step front, back foot up, lean back, ball, change, new foot. Step front, back foot up, lean back, ball, change, new foot. Step front, back foot up, lean back, ball, change. You're doing your step, ball, change. And finish. Oh my gosh, that was magnificent. You did so well today. I'm so happy that you came and joined me and danced with me today. I hope you had a wonderful time. I sure did too, and we'll see you next time, okay? Bye.
Did you love dancing with us? Then hit that subscribe button so you can dance along every week. And grown-ups, check the description below for all the info about our classes. Bye-bye.
It's time to go, we're almost done. We learned to dance and had such fun. Come back soon, there's always room to dance with Miss Catherine. Dance Dance with Miss Catherine.